Hello guys, back again with another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about the factory data reset in your device Vivo X80 Pro and X80. So if in this device you want to do the factory data reset, means you want to erase all the data or wipe up all the data from the device, you can do this by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the complete video and you will learn about the factory data reset in your device. Let's watch the video.